Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make landing gear in Bafft. First, begin by placing a main block to serve as the central body of your aircraft. Next, attach two small, sturdy blocks to this main body. These will act as the primary supports for your wheels. It is crucial to ensure these supports are evenly spaced to provide optimal stability for your landing gear. This foundational step sets up your build for success. Now, place your chosen wheels onto the support blocks, making sure they can rotate without obstruction. For effective suspension, integrate hinges or pistons between the wheel supports and the main body. This allows the landing gear to absorb impact. Experiment with the strength settings of your suspension components to achieve smooth landings and takeoffs, preventing damage to your aircraft. To create retractable landing gear, utilize pistons or servos. Attach these components to your wheel assemblies, allowing them to fold up into the aircraft's body. Connect this mechanism to a switch or button in your cockpit for convenient control during flight. Always test the retraction and extension cycles multiple times to ensure reliable operation and prevent any in-flight malfunctions. Finally, fine-tune the height and alignment of your landing gear to ensure optimal performance and a balanced aircraft. Conduct multiple test flights on various terrains, observing how your gear handles different impacts and surfaces. This thorough testing helps identify any weaknesses or areas for improvement. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.